Hello, my name is Aiden and I will be explaining slash previewing my Mongo Blogger application. The application is basically an API slash backend for a social network web application. It is also built with MongoDB and Mongoose to help abstract the MongoDB code, making it easier to use. So just kind of diving into the installation instructions. First, we're going to clone the repository, install Node.js, install a source code editor like VS Code. Node1 is recommended, but you don't need it. You can just do Node. Insomnia is also recommended in order to access, view, and modify the database. And for our usage instructions, so we're going to kind of go through this. Open VS Code or another preferred source code editor. We're going to open the integrated terminal. Kind of have it running right now, but we'll just clear this. Okay, cool. So we're going to run npmi or sudo npmi to install the required dependencies. I've already done that. And we're going to run the application for the first time by doing npm start. Okay. So now after we see this Mongo Blogger listening on port 3001, the application is now running and we are good to go. So to start with our first thing, we're going to view and try to access all of our users. Have some already in the database to kind of preview that. And next we're going to, let's add a new user. So this one will be the best user. And it will be the best email and the email validation, it accepts .com as well as another extension, like a location extension. I have a preview I was going to show. So I have the email right here. It's using a regex expression to match to. I've created a gist to help kind of explain that, but just want to show that these are kind of the examples. These two should pass and these two should fail. So the validation works pretty well. Let's do normal email for now. Okay, so we have it created. You can view the user. And right here. So let's get that new user, view them by the ID. And here we are, we have the best user. Can update the user. We can update the email as well, but yeah, why not? Actually, let's just do their name for now. And this is the incorrect one we're looking at, so let's redo that real quick. Okay, so we're going to update the user as a previous one. And the new username will be new username. Awesome. So we have it updated with their email and username. We could have also done the email, but I just wanted to show this one for instance. View them. We have a new username and new username. And we can create a friend. Let's say this person overwrapped is going to be their new friend. So add friend. This will be the user ID. We will update that in a second. Okay, so we have our new user. And we have our friend added. So let's add that. Perfect. Make sure it worked. In the friends array, it has been added, our new friend. And here should see the friend's ID. And we can also delete a friend. We'll do the deleting at the end, so we'll just create everything that way. Shows a nice full view of the collection, or yeah, slash document. Let's start by viewing all the thoughts. See the API slash thoughts route. Okay, so we have some ones already made there, and we have them viewed. Let's create a new thought. New thought will be made with JavaScript. And our new user, cannot forget that. Let's add that to our new user. And we see right here the new thought made with JavaScript. And another thing I added, instead of having to type in the username as well, it just fills automatically depending on the ID that is presented. So that is a little useful. It just pre-populates. And next we're going to get the thought by ID to view that one in particular. Awesome. Alright, now let's add a reaction to that. Need to grab the ID for that thought and add a new reaction. Don't think it copied. Let me see. There we go. And that is for the thought. Now the user ID is going to be that. Perfect. We are reacting to the JavaScript comment, and that's going to be I concur. Let's do I agree. I agree with this statement. Perfect. So we have the new reaction right here. And if we view the thought, should view the reaction. And when we view this, it will show our new reaction. All right. And now that we see our new reaction on the thought, it's going to be an array, a nested array of it's going to be an array of objects, and they're going to be nested. So it will show all the full reaction and whatnot. And now let's get to deleting. If we remove the reaction, let's get the ID. And I already have this new one added, but just to make sure, Awesome. So let's view it, and we don't have any reactions. If you want to delete this user thought, meet with JavaScript. Do we see this one? We do not. Now for the user, we can delete the user friend ID. Grab the user ID as well. And voila. We have deleted the user friend. And we have deleted that user. So, new username. Has been deleted. Awesome. So yeah, I just want to say thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.